Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. It's the time of year where we need to get out there and get our lawns fed for the first time. We're doing our first round of fertilizations for the year, and it's real tempting for people this time of year to go out and buy a weed and feed to do this first feeding with. And you know I don't like weed and feeds. I've talked about it in other videos, and it's no different now. We think we're going to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to save time and money by using a weed and feed. Maybe you got some weeds coming up in your lawn, and you just think you want to spread one product out, buy one product, spread it out, and it's going to take care of those weeds and feed your lawn. And here's the problem with those products: with a weed and feed, you're spreading an herbicide over your entire lawn. Every square inch of your lawn is getting an herbicide, and that's completely unnecessary. It's irresponsible. We don't need to be spreading herbicides unnecessarily over our entire lawns. You only need to be treating weeds that you can see. You need to be spot treating with a selective herbicide the weeds that you can see, and controlling your weeds that way. If an area of your lawn doesn't have any weeds, then it's pointless to spread an herbicide over there. I mean, it's unnecessary. If you have trees in your yard, you're going to be spreading an herbicide around those trees, and that's not good for your trees. Whenever you're broadcasting a granular weed and feed using a spreader, it's impossible to keep those granules out of your flower beds. You're going to have an herbicide being spread, around plants and flowers in your flower beds, and that's not good for those either. So it's just a bad idea. We just need to stay away from those products. Separate the applications. Put out a straight fertilizer. Buy a fertilizer. Put that out, and then use a liquid post-emergent herbicide to spot treat any weeds that you're seeing coming up. So that's the way to go. That's what the professionals do, and that's what you need to do as well. So just keep that in mind. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or you need any help with that, let us know. We'll be glad to help you any way we can. Thanks.